Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to fix Telegram not sending code. Don't worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first, all you have to do is to open the Telegram application. Once you've opened, you will be asked by the application to type in your number. Just make sure that the country that you're in is the one specified in the country. And once you've made sure, all you have to do is to type in your number. And once you've typed in, all you have to do is to tap on next. Once you've tapped on yes, all you have to do is to wait, and as you can see, you will be transferred to this screen. You will be asked to enter the code. As for Telegram has sent an SMS with an activation code to your phone number. Let's say you didn't receive any, but the number is correct. All you have to do is to wait for the request button to be available. As you can see, right on top of the numpad that you've used earlier and is displayed now, there is a prompt saying you can request a voice call in a span of time. All you have to do is to wait for it to turn into 0, and once the time is up, you can now request for a voice call. And in that voice call, the code that has been sent to you will be said by the operator. And as you can see, the time has run out and you can now tap in call me to dictate the code. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.